Good morning from Livingston. I'm Tim Carbury from Berthon International, and I'd like to welcome you on board our walkthrough video of our 2008 Spirit 76 NAZGUL of Fordell. Good afternoon. Welcome to a walkthrough video of our 2008 Spirit 76 NAZGUL of Fordell. Here you see NAZGUL being presented at this year's Palma International Boat Show 2026. I'm happy to say that everyone that came on board remarked on her stunning condition and beautiful lines. The current owner of the boat is the same owner since new, and when he bought this boat and built this boat, he wanted one that was suitable for both comfortable and safe family cruising and also competitive regatta sailing. It's fair to say that NAZGUL has been extremely successful at offering both of these options to the owner. In 2019, the owner decided it was time to take her back to Spirit Yachts, where she was built, for a major refit. The refit included main engine and ancillary replacements, standing rigging replacements, new sails, interior refreshment, sound deadening in the engineering spaces, to list a whole lot more. The carbon mast we see here is from Southern Spars, as is the carbon boom. And as you can see, all the stainless and all the varnish work are immaculate. Looking aft here, you get a feel for the classic lines of the Spirit yacht. I particularly like the aft deck. I feel this is an absolutely wonderful space from which to enjoy the sailing performance of this yacht. Looking forward here, you get a real feel for the lines of the boat, and the craftsmanship is absolutely exceptional at this helm. As we go forward here, we come towards the owner's cockpit, which is just a beautiful place to sit with friends and family and wine and dine and enjoy the time on board. Here we are inside NAZGUL. You'll immediately notice the quality of the joinery, the stunning varnish work, and I really like the bright blue interior cushioning. Here we are in the forward crew cabin. Crew cabin benefits from its own heads. Ample storage here and its own access from the foredeck. As we go aft into the galley here, you can see the gas oven and gas hob, microwave, twin sink, ice maker there, ample storage, ample cold storage, which obviously you can never have too much of on a boat, and just a really nicely appointed galley. Just looking into the main saloon here, I love the exposed chain plates. I think they're a real feature of this main saloon. Beautiful lighting. A true modern classic. As we continue aft, control panel there on the left. And then we go into the first of the guest cabins. This is obviously a bunk cabin. And then we go into what I would consider the VIP. Nice large double bed, really nice natural light, again beautiful joinery, beautiful fixtures and fittings. They have access from the deck. This is the shared heads. And then we go into the master. Beautiful cozy cabin, nice sofa there to relax, either side. Into a really nice twin sink heads here. This cabin for me just fits perfectly with the styling of the boat. So there we have it. That is NAZGUL of Fordell. And if you need more information, then please visit our website, and there's more detail on all the refit work and the specification of the boat. Thanks for watching.